Friggin' shit, boys. Paint your frame, they said. It'll look good, they said. I look like fucking Billy Idol. Holy fuck, we had the mask on, but no glasses. Holy. Fucking rights, boys. We made the first trip into Canadian Tire today, so I figured it was fitting to put the old... You know, to support them, you know, I haven't fucking been in there in a while now. We got some goods. We got some Surf Firm. We got the old Herplerb. I heard from a guy this was the good stuff, so we're gonna put that in. We got the wheel cleaner for the old Derger Rammer. We got some welding gloves, so now I got my own kinds, you know, so I don't gotta steal all the other guys' kinds. And then they got new holes and they're wondering where they got the burn hole from. And they never did it. But we're not gonna tell them. Never mind, just kidding. I didn't burn nothing in your glove, sorry. We got some electrochemical sockets for the tail lights because for some reason when you don't have brake lights or tail lights, the cops or people behind you, they don't like that. So we got some big fuses to go in there. Oh, look. Thought those were the broken kinds for a second. Fuck, and we got fucking more big fuses, but these are the dumb glows. We got those. We got a water squirter. And again, this is the sea foam that we're gonna use on the carbonator. The carbonimator. Got it all at Canadian Tires. This is a big day, boys. First day back in the Canadian Turbo. I was friggin' lost without being able to go in there. I'll tell you, boys. So I figured I'd show you. We got those kinds. We're gonna replace them. They fit right in. Let me see if they don't work. My luck, they're not gonna work. So let's go try. Alrighty, well, we got some new parts. We're just gonna get her started. See if we can get some electromechicity going around onto the lights. Get some fuses going. But first, we gotta give her some fucking the old dragon's breath. You just want to put a little bit in there, just like a little squirt. You don't want to put too much. It really doesn't need it. Just like a little squirt is good. Fucking right, you boys almost went for a fucking ride. Holy, look at this. Look at those kinds. You just want to, so what you want to do is just stick your arm in there. Fucking spitting flames now. So we got the old idiot light out here. Just testing for the wipers. We got nothing. We got something. We hit that, we got a fucking... Look at this, boys, we're wiping. We are wiping. I don't know what's happening, but we're wiping. So, a little bit of an update here. I gave her all new connections and I'm working out the wire in here, and it just seems that we don't got a ground. Once you ground it, fuck, she's good. So we're gonna just go ahead and ground that. And see, anywhere I put her, she's fucking just... But if I take it off, she's not shutting off. What the hell's going on here? They're on these things. They're not even hooked up and they're still going. What the hell is going on here? What the hell is going on? They're not even hooked up and they're still going. We don't want that. Fuck, boys, what the hell's going on? Fucking ghost wipers. How the hell is that even possible? Boys, we got fucking... Oh, of course I grabbed the wrong fucking one. That ain't gonna work. We got lights at every... Oh, where'd my light go? Oh, there we go. Got a light. We got lights everywhere. This is a good car so far, people. Got lights everywhere we go. Oh, we're missing one. Just need a 4. So, got myself some fucking windshield wipers here. We did it the right way and just went ahead and made our own little switch here. So you gotta pop your hood every time it starts raining and just kind of attach this little antler right here and fucking boom. Didn't want to make more work for myself than I had to, so all the electricals were just dink, so figured we might as well just run it. And that's the on and off switch right there. Fucking just on and off, boys. Just works great. That's the right way you want to work your switch. Just make sure when you touch it, you don't touch it to any of the other ones, because you're going to blow your fuse if you do, like I just did 2 seconds ago. Make sure you don't touch those two. You just touch this one on the end. Got it? Make sure you don't touch those two. Just this one. And hook her on, and then you've got wipers for the time being, and you pull it off when it stops raining. And pull it, push it, pull it off. Okay, that's that. Got a little horn wired up here. Fucking nice little horn there, fucking right. We got our on and off switch here. Fucking there's on and there's off. On